To add Avalanche in MetaMask, start by opening the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. Click on the Add Network button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the interface. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter the network details manually. In the network name field, type in Avalanche mainnet. For the new RPC URL field, enter the link https://api.avax network ext bc c RPC. The chain ID is 43,114, and the currency symbol is AVAX. The block explorer URL is https://snowtrace.io. After entering the network details, click the Save button to add the Avalanche network to your MetaMask wallet. Once the network is added, you can view your Avalanche balance and start interacting with the network by sending or receiving AVAX tokens or using Avalanche-based decentralized applications. Make sure to verify the network details before saving, as incorrect information may lead to issues with your transactions. Also, be aware of the network fees associated with Avalanche transactions, as they may vary depending on the network congestion. By following these steps, you can easily add the Avalanche network to your MetaMask wallet and start exploring the Avalanche ecosystem. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and transactions by using strong passwords and keeping your wallet software up to date.